Hey, Funky Junkers, check out this awesome Goodwill tray makeover. I picked up this gold shiny tray at the Goodwill and I gave it a coat of Waverly chalk paint in an off-white. I dried the first coat and then I applied a second coat all over, even on the edges of the tray, to give it a nice base and cover up all that gold. Once I had the paint all dry, I grabbed some crackle finish from Decor called One Step Crackle. You simply put it over your painted surface, which I applied to the outside of this tray, and I let it dry. It says 2 to 3 hours, but I just hit it with my hairdryer and let it dry. And you can't really see the crackle on this surface now, but once I applied a coat of my clear and dark wax to the outer edge of the tray, the crackle effect really came through. So I applied that dark wax and then I just wiped it off. And all around the edge of the tray is a really nice crackle. I then went over it with a sanding block and just roughed up the edges. I picked up this double-sided placemat from the Hobby Lobby and cut it out to the center of the inside of the tray. And then I painted the inside of the tray black, only because I could still see a little bit of the other side showing through against the white background, so the black kind of helped cover all that up. I then applied a layer of Mod Podge and attached the vinyl placemat to the center of the tray. To cover up those wonky edges, I took out my trusty glue gun and my big roll of twine, jute twine, and gave it a nice decorative edge. I still had a little bit of wonky edging, so I went ahead and I gave it another edging, so I double edged it with the jute twine. Once that was all done, I grabbed some Totally Dazzled bling. I wanted to put some in the greenery swags on the top and the bottom, and I opted for a smaller one on top and a larger one on the bottom. I then decided to go ahead and diamond dust the entire middle surface, so I grabbed my Mod Podge, gave a thin, even coat of Mod Podge, and then applied a heavy coat of diamond dust. And boy, let me tell you, chickadees, it sure is sparkly. After I got that all done, I went ahead and added the smaller bling at the top and the larger bling at the bottom, and it is beautiful and sparkly. Hope you enjoyed.